To respected principal sir, teachers, and my lovable students. Dear students, on behalf of the school, I wish everyone a very happy Children's Day. As part of today's celebration, we will have a short quiz. So, are you interested? Yes or no? Great. So, you all are requested to listen carefully my instructions, okay? One questions will be asked for each class from nursery to 12th grade. If you know the answer, yeah, 1st to 5th are not there, so nursery to UKG, then 6th to 12th. Okay? So these are the conditions. One question will be asked for each class. If you know the answer, please come to the stage quickly, here itself. Take the mic and give your answer. Only the first students to reach the mic will receive a prize. Please do not answer from your place. Answer must be given through the mic only. जैसे आप लोग डेली वहीं से स्टैंड होके आंसर देते हैं, वैसे आपको आंसर नहीं करना है. जिस भी क्लास के स्टूडेंट से क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है और किसी को आंसर पता है, तो आपको यहाँ पर आना है, माइक लेना है और उसका आंसर देना है. इज दैट क्लियर? Nursery class, raise your hand. Nursery class, are you active? Nursery class, yes.
Nursery class, raise your hand.
Class nursery, raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Don't talk. Students, don't talk.
Okay. This question for.
This activity is for you only. Don't talk.
Okay, this question for only nursery class. तो कोई भी क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स आंसर नहीं करेंगे. Only nursery class will answer. Only one student. If you are knowing the answer. When is Children's Day celebrated in India every year? Nursery class.
डेट बताना है आपको.
बाल दिवस की डेट बतानी है आपको. कौन सी डेट को मनाते हैं?
14 नंबर को.
Yes, very good. Clapping for her. Great. Congratulations. Come, Muskan. Come here. Come on the stage. Muskan. Very good. So, question
इधर से
number
बेटा,
2.
इधर से बेटा, इधर से.
Question number 2 for the LKG class. Whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day in India? LKG class only will answer. LKG class. Whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day in India?
LKG class, आंसर बोलो.
किसके बर्थडे को मनाते हैं चिल्ड्रंस डे के रूप में? आप लोगों को पता है? यू नो द आंसर.
Tell answer. Anyone of you LKG?
चाचा.
This is a nickname. This is a nickname. You know the correct answer? Okay, any other class? Okay, come. Congratulations, come here. Okay, great. So question number 3 is for UKG class. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first dash of India. Yes, UKG class, tell me the answer. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first dash of India. Raise your hand if you are knowing the answer. Raise your hand. Yes, very good. Come here, come to the stage. Congratulations. So I guess first class is not available here, so I am asking to 6th class.
उधर से.
Yes. Where is 6th class? Raise your hand. Yes, good. 6th class. Jawaharlal Nehru is fondly known as. Where is the birthplace of Jawaharlal Nehru? Where is the birthplace?
If you know answer, come forward.
Raise your hand and come to the stage.
Class 6.
Yes, sir.
Class 6 student.
Class 6.
Come forward.
The birthplace of Jawaharlal Nehru. Come here, come here, come here. Come fast.
अरे दौड़ के आओ.
Which flower Chacha Nehru likes the most? Which flower?
Come faster. Come faster.
Come faster. 7th class. Yes, tell the answer. Rose. Yes. Which rose? The color of rose. Red rose. Yes. Very good. Congratulations. Great. Next, to the 8th class. Okay. World Children's Day is celebrated on which? Yes.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Very good. Congratulations. Come forward. Keep it up. Good. So, I am moving forward to the 11th class. Where is the 11th class? Yes. Okay. When was Children's Day first celebrated on 14th November in India? 11th class. When was Children's Day first celebrated on 14th November in India? Which session? Yes, you just have to tell the session. It was Children's Day celebrated in India. Before 1964, on which date was Children's Day celebrated in India? 12th class? Where is 12th class? Raise your hand. Yes, tell the answer.